Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video on SUI. Yeah, SUI has held the higher low that formed on Friday, so far at least. Okay, starting to look somewhat promising. We obviously do have, and I only want to take a look at the shorter time frame today. A couple of days ago, I made a video about the weekly chart as well, daily chart. So here just now, just to focus on the smaller time frame, what we can see here on this chart is still this 5-wave move up. I have no reason to change that at the moment. That indicates the market has likely formed an A wave to the upside into the 14th of August high. Quick reminder, the structure that we're tracking indicates that the 5th wave should unfold as an ABC structure, and the A wave can always be a 5-wave move, can also be a 3-wave move. In this case, it was likely a 5-wave move. I mean, I think we can all agree that this does look pretty much like a 5-wave move up. And the pullback ended as a 3-wave pattern. At least the current idea is that this pullback ended. We have an A wave down. That was a 5-wave decline, which suggested further downside. We then had a B wave bounce in 3 waves. The 3-wave move is typically a counter trend move. So if we have 5 waves down on the micro level, a 3-wave move up afterwards is expected to complete this larger correction, right? Which then obviously happened. So we have 5 waves up on the larger time frame then, and 3 waves down. That in turn suggests higher prices because, as I just said, a 3-wave move is a counter trend move. Yeah, the 5-wave move is a trending move. The 3-wave move is the counter trend. So that's why we were watching for an impulsive upside reaction before the price would break below the red line there at around 326, 327. So apologies. So we have a reaction, and the market reacted nicely on Friday. And I can call that potentially a 5-wave move up in this wave 1, right? And the wave 2 pullback unfolded afterwards, or it's unfolding still right now. So that was the idea. 5 up on the nano level, and then over the weekend, the 3-wave pullback. Again, what I just showed you on the larger time frame here in small. So it's looking good. It's looking good. I mean, we do have 5 up, 3 down here. This could be it. Okay, it's obviously too early to say because this move up is not yet strong enough to really suggest we've bottomed there, but things are starting to look good. Okay, what I want to see next is a break above the wave 1 high here. That's at $3.81. That would be the next objective for the bulls. Take the price above this level, send the price to around about $4.20 or higher in an attempt, obviously, to start the 3rd wave. Could we have bottomed? I mean, yeah, it's a 5-wave move up, pretty clear. And then a 3-wave move down, also pretty clear 3-wave move down. We reached a 38.2 retracement. That is basically the minimum I want to see in a wave 2. But yeah, it's okay. It would be okay. Yeah. What could happen, and this is something that can always happen, I think I'm tracking that for Bitcoin, that this is the A wave. We're getting a broader B wave bounce and then a C wave like that. Please be prepared for that. But it's about what happens now in this bounce. If it's a 3-wave move and we cannot break above the green line, the risk is it might just be a B wave and we can, dip again. But that would all be within the same scenario. Yeah, so these are the parameters that keep this uptrend alive, $3.42 to $3.61. So that's what we need to watch for as we're heading towards the weekly candle close. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, reminder, today at 5 p.m. UTC, we've got our member live stream. So we'll cover a lot of different coins, charts. If you want to join and participate, feel free to do so. Also, I invite you all to join us on X for additional updates, charts, memes, much more. Check it out. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.